Speech: How to be a high value woman. Good evening, beautiful souls. Today, we talk about becoming what every woman is capable of being, a high value woman. Not just admired for her beauty or charm, but for her substance, her power, and her unstoppable spirit. Spirit. A high value woman isn't born, she is built choice by choice, day by day. She is a force, a dreamer, a doer. She doesn't wait for validation. She gives herself the crown. She knows that her worth isn't measured by external approval, but by the light she carries inside. Becoming that woman is not about perfection. It's about self respect, resilience, intellect, and fearlessness. It's about walking into every room like you have a thousand ancestors behind you. It's about making yourself the main character of your own story. A high value woman sets her standards unapologetically high. She knows that love is beautiful, but self love is non negotiable. She invests in her mind, her craft, her dreams. She's glamorous, not because of diamonds or designer dresses, but because she wears her confidence better than any label. She speaks with purpose, she acts with grace, she leads with compassion. And when life gets heavy, she lifts herself and others higher. Remember this: your value is not in being chosen, it is in choosing yourself, choosing your path, and choosing to rise every single day. Thank you. 8 key points of the speech. Self worth comes from within. A high value woman validates herself and does not seek approval from others. Consistency in self improvement. She invests early in her growth, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and professionally. Spiritually and professionally. Own your presence. Enter every space with confidence and poise as if you belong. Because you do. Set unapologetically high standards. In relationships, work, and friendships, she never settles for less than she deserves. Prioritize self love. Love from others is a bonus. Love for oneself is the foundation. Intellect and ambition are essential. Beauty catches the eye, but intelligence and drive capture respect. Grace under pressure. She handles adversity with resilience, learning from setbacks without losing her spark. Led with purpose and compassion. True high value is about lifting others as you rise, not stepping over them. Of course, here's an expanded version of key point no 1. Self worth comes from within. Self worth is not a gift the world hands you, it's a power you ignite within yourself. A high value woman understands that her worth is not determined by applause, titles, likes, or validation from others. She knows that her intrinsic value was written into her soul long before the world tried to measure her. She doesn't allow fleeting opinions to shape her perception of herself. Her self esteem is built on a foundation stronger than circumstance. It is anchored in her belief that she is enough, exactly as she is. Many people fall into the trap of tying their confidence to external achievements, a promotion, a compliment, a relationship. But the high value woman refuses to let her sense of self become a prisoner to conditions. Whether she is winning awards or walking through storms, she stands rooted in the knowledge that her essence doesn't fluctuate with seasons. She values herself not because others recognize her glow, but because she sees her light even when the room is dark. This kind of self worth requires discipline. It means daily speaking kindly to oneself, especially when the voice of the world tries to be harsh. It means cultivating a deep, almost sacred relationship with yourself, where you are your own biggest supporter, your own safe place, your own anchor. She doesn't wait for anyone else to tell her she is beautiful, intelligent, or capable. She already knows. She crowns herself every morning before she even steps out the door. When a woman draws her self worth from within, rejection loses its power to devastate her. Criticism becomes feedback, not a personal attack. Loss becomes a lesson, not a loss of identity. She moves through life with a freedom that intimidates those still searching for their reflection in the eyes of others. She doesn't seek permission to dream big, speak boldly, or demand respect. She assumes it as her natural birthright. Her relationships too transform when self worth is intrinsic. She doesn't cling to people to feel whole, nor does she compromise her dignity to be loved. She doesn't chase, she attracts. Her presence commands attention not because she shouts, but because she radiates a quiet, magnetic certainty. She knows she deserves connections rooted in respect, authenticity, and mutual admiration. And if those around her cannot rise to her level, she gracefully steps away without drama or desperation. Self worth from within also reflects in how she treats herself. She invests in her growth, health, and joy because she recognizes herself as her greatest asset. She doesn't postpone her dreams, waiting for someone to choose her. She chooses herself first. Whether it's traveling solo, pursuing a passion, or setting boundaries that others may not like, she honors her inner voice above the noise. She is deeply loyal, first and foremost, to herself. Society often conditions women to doubt themselves, to shrink, to seek validation at every turn. A high value woman unlearns these lessons with fierce determination. She replaces doubt with certainty, fear with curiosity, and people pleasing with self respect. She doesn't dilute her opinions to be likable, nor does she apologize for her strength. She moves like a woman who knows that she belongs in every room she walks into, simply because she chose to show up. Self worth coming from within is a lifelong practice, not a one time achievement. It requires vigilance, checking in with yourself, nurturing yourself, and protecting your peace. It demands recognizing that you are whole, valuable, and worthy, even on the days when you feel far from perfect. It is about embodying the truth that you are not a product of other people's perceptions. You are a masterpiece, signed by your own hand. Signed by your own. Absolutely. Here's a lengthy expansion of key point number 2. 2. Consistency in self improvement. Consistency in self improvement is the secret weapon of every high value woman. She knows that greatness isn't achieved overnight, nor is it gifted to a chosen few. It is earned patiently, persistently, intentionally. She treats her growth as a lifelong romance, one where she shows up every single day to honor her potential, whether anyone is watching or not. Growth for her is not a phase, it's a lifestyle, a non negotiable part of who she is. The high value woman doesn't seek comfort over evolution. She understands that the uncomfortable, often invisible moments, waking early to study, pushing through self doubt to try something new, committing to healthier habits when it's easier to procrastinate, are the bricks that build her empire. She doesn't just invest in self improvement when it's convenient or trendy. She stays loyal to her personal growth even on the days when progress feels frustratingly slow. Consistency is her signature. While others may sprint and stumble, she chooses steady, relentless pace. She knows that massive transformation is simply the result of small, smart choices compounded over time. She doesn't chase quick fixes. Instead, she honors the process. The reading of books, the mastering of new skills, the refining of a mindset. Her mantra is simple: progress over perfection. She is addicted not to applause, but to evolution. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, her commitment to gradual growth makes her magnetic. While others may get distracted by trends or the validation of the moment, she remains locked onto her vision, sharpening her mind, deepening her resilience, expanding her soul. She recognizes that empires are built in silence before they are celebrated in public. Strength of it. Every day she becomes a little wiser, a little stronger, a little more unstoppable. Her areas of improvement are holistic. She invests as much in her emotional intelligence as in her career. She polishes her communication skills, studies the art of leadership, takes care of her physical health, and stays spiritually grounded. She recognizes that true self improvement is multidimensional. It's about becoming not just a successful woman, but a whole woman. She aims for excellence, not just in what she achieves, but in who she becomes. Consistency in self improvement also gives her an unshakable sense of inner peace. She knows she is not in competition with anyone else. Her only competition is yesterday's version of herself. This focus liberates her from comparison and jealousy. She doesn't waste energy resenting the success of others, she celebrates it, knowing that there's more than enough room for every woman who dares to rise. Her only question is, how can I be better than I was yesterday? The high value woman understands that the journey of improvement is not linear. There will be setbacks, detours, and days when motivation feels distant, but she doesn't let temporary emotions dictate permanent outcomes. She knows that discipline will carry her when inspiration fades. And so she builds systems around her growth, mentors, routines, environments that make excellence inevitable, not accidental. She doesn't rely on willpower alone. She creates structures that set her up for success. Every morning, she chooses herself again. She chooses to read instead of scroll, to build instead of boast, to plan instead of panic. And over time, these daily deposits compound into a kind of quiet power that cannot be bought, faked, or borrowed. It must be earned, and she earns it. Gloriously, one consistent step at a time. Here's a powerful 8 paragraph expansion of key point in of 3. Own your presence. Owning your presence is about understanding that you are never just in a room. You are the room's energy. A high value woman never enters timidly, asking for permission to belong. She steps in with the unspoken authority of someone who has already decided that she is worthy. She doesn't shrink herself to fit into spaces. She expands, she elevates, she transforms the atmosphere simply by being there. Owning your presence doesn't mean being the loudest. It's about an energy, a silent strength that commands respect without demanding it. It's how you stand, how you make eye contact, how you carry yourself. It's in your posture, your walk, your tone of voice. The high value woman knows her body as a language. She uses it deliberately, elegantly, without apology. She moves through the world like someone who is proud of who she is, flaws and all. Presence is rooted in self knowledge. The woman who owns her presence knows her story, owns her scars, and speaks her truth without shame. She doesn't hide parts of herself to be more acceptable. She has integrated her journey, the triumphs and the bruises, into a radiant confidence. She wears her history like a crown, not a chain. A high value woman also masters the art of silence. She understands that true power doesn't always announce itself. She listens with intensity, speaks with intention, and chooses her words like they matter. Because they do. She doesn't feel the need to fill every pause or prove her worthiness. Her presence says it all. In a world of noise, she becomes unforgettable through her calm, collected, self possessed energy. Owning your presence is deeply tied to authenticity. Pretending to be something you're not, shrinking, people pleasing, performing, only weakens your magnetism. A woman who owns her presence is unapologetically herself, whether she's wearing couture on a red carpet or sneakers at the airport. She brings the same essence to every setting, grounded, radiant, unapologetic. Her authenticity is the fragrance that lingers after she leaves the room. She also understands that emotional presence is just as powerful as physical presence. She doesn't numb out, tune out, or zone out a day. She is there fully engaged, fully alive. Whether she's having a one on one conversation or addressing a crowd of thousands, she makes people feel seen, heard, and respected. She brings her full attention to the moment and people can feel it, crave it, remember it. Owning your presence requires courage. It means risking being seen fully, not just the polished version, but the real version. It means accepting that not everyone will like you and being completely at peace with that. It means standing tall when you're praised and when you're criticized without letting either define your worth. The high value woman doesn't dilute herself for acceptance. She trusts that the right spaces will always make room for her. Ultimately, owning your presence is about deciding that you are enough, deciding that you belong, deciding that you are the prize. It's an inner switch, not an outer validation. Once you flip that switch, you no longer walk into rooms hoping to be chosen. You walk in knowing you have already chosen yourself. Of course, here's an expanded version of Key Point 4. Set unapologetically high standards. Setting unapologetically high standards is not about being difficult or demanding. It's about honoring your worth without negotiation. A high value woman knows that the standards she sets are the blueprint for how the world will treat her. She doesn't lower her bar to be more relatable or easier to love. She knows that anyone intimidated by her standards is simply not ready for the level at which she operates. High standards begin within. She expects excellence foremost from herself. She holds herself accountable for her words, her actions, her ambitions. Her ambitions. She doesn't expect the world to hand her anything she hasn't worked for. Her discipline, her integrity, her relentless commitment to her goals. These are the silent architects behind the life she builds. She demands from herself the same brilliance she expects from others. In her relationships, she never compromises on respect, honesty, or alignment of values. She doesn't entertain half love, breadcrumb attention, or inconsistent energy. She is not impressed by surface level gestures. She is moved by consistency, depth, and emotional intelligence. She would rather stand alone in her power than shrink herself to fit into a connection that doesn't recognize her value. Her solitude is a sanctuary, not a punishment. Professionally, her standards are just as exacting. She doesn't just take any opportunity, she evaluates if it aligns with her vision, her ethics, and her worth. She knows the difference between a stepping stone and a distraction. She is willing to say no to short term gains if they compromise her long term dreams. No. She doesn't tolerate environments where her talents are undervalued or her voice is muted. Her ambition is not up for debate, it is a living, breathing part of her identity. Setting high standards also means curating her environment ruthlessly. She surrounds herself with people who inspire her, challenge her, and celebrate her. She doesn't hold on to toxic relationships out of guilt or nostalgia. She knows that who you allow into your life influences your mindset, your energy, and your future. If someone can't meet her at the level she's worked to stand upon, she lovingly but firmly lets them fall away. And when people criticize her for having high standards, calling her too much, too picky, or hard to please, she smiles with grace and moves forward. Grace and moves forward. She knows that being misunderstood is a small price to pay for living a life aligned with her true worth. She would rather be a too much than not enough for herself. She is not here to shrink, apologize, or dilute her magic to make others comfortable. Her standards are not walls to keep people out, they are gates to protect her peace. They are filters that ensure that only those who can meet her depth, her loyalty, her vision are allowed entry into her sacred space. Her standards are her declaration. I know who I am. I know what I deserve. Oh, I will not settle for anything less. And because she holds herself to that truth without wavering, she naturally attracts people, opportunities, and experiences that match her energy. A high value woman never fears setting the bar high because she knows those who are meant for her will rise to meet it. She doesn't chase, beg, or bargain for treatment she knows she deserves. She simply stands, confidently and quietly, trusting that her energy, her standards, and her unwavering self respect will draw exactly the life she was destined for. Here's the expanded version of Key Point 5. Prioritize self love. Prioritizing self love is not a luxury for a high value woman, it is her foundation. She knows that before she can truly pour into anything, her relationships, her career, her dreams, she must first pour into herself. Self love is not something she practices when she has time left over. It is something she carves space for intentionally, like a sacred ritual. She knows that the relationship she has with herself sets the tone for every other relationship in her life. Self love begins with self awareness. Self awareness. She dares to look inward, not with judgment but with compassion. She acknowledges her strengths with pride and faces her flaws without shame. She understands that loving herself is not about perfection, it's about radical acceptance. She doesn't wait until she's a fixed or a better to see her value. She loves herself in her process, in her becoming, in her beautifully unfinished journey. Prioritizing self love also means protecting her peace fiercely. She refuses to stay in places where her spirit feels heavy or unseen. She sets boundaries without guilt and detaches from anything or anyone who tries to diminish her light. She knows that choosing herself will sometimes disappoint others, but she is willing to endure that discomfort because betraying herself is a price she refuses to pay. Her self love is evident in how she speaks to herself. She is her own biggest cheerleader, her own soft place to land. She doesn't tear herself apart for her mistakes. She coaches herself through them with kindness and resilience. When she looks in the mirror, she doesn't just see a face, she sees a woman she has fought hard to become. She treats herself with the tenderness, patience, and respect she would offer to someone she deeply loves. Because she does. A high value woman also practices self love through her daily choices. She nourishes her body, fuels her mind, and listens to her soul. She doesn't glorify burnout or wear struggle like a badge of honor. She understands that rest is productive, pleasure is necessary, and joy is not optional. She takes herself on dates, invests in her passions, and celebrates her milestones, whether anyone else is clapping or not. She refuses to wait for someone else to make her feel special. She gives that gift to herself. Prioritizing self love means trusting her own voice above the noise. She doesn't beg for validation, doesn't alter herself for approval, doesn't seek completion in someone else's arms. She has built a home within herself so solid that nothing, no heartbreak, no setback, no rejection, can uproot her sense of worth. She loves herself enough to walk away from anything that doesn't honor her, no matter how tempting it might seem in the moment. Self love also grants her resilience. Because she knows how to nurture herself, she is not shattered by failure or rejection. She knows how to comfort herself, how to rebuild herself, how to remind herself that no external event defines her. She does not crumble at the first sign of adversity. She rises, recalibrates, and keeps moving, with grace, with grit, and with an unshakable belief that she is always worthy of her own love. Ultimately, prioritizing self love becomes her superpower. It is what makes her radiant without trying, magnetic without chasing, and powerful without domination. When a woman truly loves herself, she doesn't need to shout her worth. The world feels it, sees it, and responds accordingly. Of course, here's the expanded version of Key Point 6. Intellect and ambition are essential. For a high value woman, intellect and ambition are non negotiables. Beauty, charm, and grace are assets, yes. Yes, but without intellect and ambition, they are incomplete. They are incomplete. She knows that her mind is her sharpest weapon and her dreams are her boldest compass. Intellect isn't just about formal education, it's about a hungry mind. A high value woman is forever curious, forever learning. She reads, she debates, she questions, she seeks to understand the world beyond headlines and hashtags. She sharpens her critical thinking, embraces complexity, and never settles for easy answers. Her conversations are rich, her perspectives are nuanced, and her company leaves people a little wiser, a little sharper, a little more awake. Ambition for her is a sacred fire, is a sacred fire. It's not something she hides or apologizes for. She dreams audaciously, speaks boldly of her goals, and pursues her vision with unstoppable energy. She understands that ambition is not a dirty word, it's a declaration that her life will be authored by her, not dictated by circumstance. She wears her ambition with pride, refusing to shrink it down for fear of intimidating anyone. The high value woman recognizes that intellect and ambition together are what create influence, impact, and legacy. Looks may capture attention, but intellect and ambition sustain respect. She builds more than a brand, she builds a legacy. Through her ideas, her leadership, her relentless pursuit of excellence, she doesn't just want to be impressive, she wants to be unforgettable, and she knows that true influence is built with brains and bravery. Moo. She also understands that ambition must be strategic. It's not about being busy for the sake of appearances. She sets clear goals, crafts smart plans, and executes with precision. She knows when to pivot, when to push harder, and when to pause and recalibrate. Her ambition is not frantic or desperate. It is focused, measured, and fiercely intentional. She moves with purpose, not panic. Her intellect gives her resilience. She anticipates challenges, prepares solutions, and adapts swiftly to change. When obstacles arise, and they always do, she doesn't crumble. She strategizes. She treats failure as feedback, not a final verdict. Her mind, trained to think critically and creatively, becomes her greatest ally in navigating adversity. She is not just strong, she is smart about her strength. Importantly, the high value woman never feels the need to dim her intellect or hide her ambition to make others comfortable. She's not interested in playing small or pretending to be less than she is. She knows that the right people, partners, friends, collaborators, will celebrate her brilliance, not fear it. She chooses relationships where her mind is challenged, her ambitions are supported, and her intelligence is seen as a gift, not a threat. For her, intellect and ambition are acts of self respect. They are her way of honoring the talents she has been given and the dreams she dares to chase. She isn't striving to be better than anyone else. She is striving to be the fullest, fiercest version of herself. And she knows deep in her bones that a woman who leads with her mind and her mission is a force that cannot be ignored. Of course, here's the expanded version of Key Point 7. Grace under pressure is the true hallmark of a high value woman. It's easy to shine when everything is going right, but it's how you carry yourself when the storms come that sets you apart. A woman of true worth doesn't unravel when faced with chaos. She holds her head high, her voice steady, and her heart grounded. She understands that strength wrapped in grace is far more powerful than any outburst or panic. In moments of crisis, she becomes the calm within the storm. He becomes the calm. She doesn't react impulsively, she responds thoughtfully. She doesn't let fear dictate her actions or allow anger to cloud her judgment. Her grace is not the absence of emotion, it's the mastery of it. She acknowledges her feelings without letting them control her narrative. She channels her emotions into clarity, strategy, and resilience. Grace under pressure doesn't mean she pretends everything is perfect. It means she refuses to be defined by circumstances. She can walk through fire without allowing the flames to consume her spirit. She addresses challenges head on, with a balance of assertiveness and poise. She doesn't crumble when faced with resistance. She leans into it, learning, adapting, and evolving with every blow. She understands that grace is an internal choice, not an external performance. It is rooted in deep self respect and unshakable self trust. She trusts her ability to navigate uncertainty, to rebuild from setbacks, and to reinvent herself when necessary. Even when doubt creeps in, she meets it with compassion rather than cruelty. Her inner dialogue is one of empowerment. This will not break me, this will build me. In professional settings, her grace under pressure becomes magnetic. When others panic, she remains composed. When others blame, she seeks solutions. Solutions. She becomes a natural leader, not because she demands it, but because people are instinctively drawn to her centeredness. Her ability to keep her integrity intact under stress earns her respect that no title or accolade could ever replicate. In personal relationships, grace under pressure allows her to navigate conflict without cruelty or chaos. She doesn't resort to manipulation, shouting matches, or silent treatments. Instead, she communicates directly, listens deeply, and holds space for truth, even when it's uncomfortable. She knows that real intimacy is built in the difficult moments, not just the easy ones, and she meets those moments with maturity and compassion. This grace also extends to how she treats herself when she falters. She doesn't spiral into self loathing or despair. She forgives herself quickly, adjusts her crown, and moves forward. She knows that grace isn't just something she offers the world, it's something she must extend inwardly too. Every stumble, every misstep becomes a chance to reinforce her resilience rather than diminish her self worth. Ultimately, carrying grace under pressure is what allows the high value woman to be unstoppable. Challenges will come, that is inevitable. But she meets them not with fear, not with fury, but with unwavering elegance. She doesn't just survive pressure, she transforms it into the very fuel that drives her higher. Absolutely. Here's the expanded version of Key Point 8. Lead with purpose and compassion. A high value woman leads with purpose because she knows that her life is not an accident, it's a masterpiece in progress. She doesn't move through the world aimlessly or chase approval at every turn. Ugh. Instead, her actions are anchored in something deeper, a sense of mission, a devotion to creating impact, a commitment to living a life that feels meaningful. Her ambition is tied not just to success, but to significance. Purpose is her compass. She defines success for herself, not based on society's fleeting trends, but on what genuinely fulfills her soul. Whether she's building a business, raising a family, writing a book, or advocating for change, she infuses everything she does with intentionality. She's not driven by shallow applause. She's moved by the inner knowing that her work, her voice, and her presence are making a difference. But she doesn't lead with purpose alone, she balances it with compassion. She understands that real leadership isn't about domination or intimidation. It's about lifting others up as you rise. It's about seeing the humanity in people even when the world encourages cynicism. Her compassion doesn't make her weak, it gives her a strength that is unshakable because it is rooted in empathy, not ego. Compassion allows her to lead without losing her softness. She holds herself and others to high standards, yes, but she does so with understanding and grace. She knows that people are not perfect, that mistakes are part of growth, that kindness can open doors force never could. Warnings. She wields her compassion like a queen's scepter, not to rule over others, but to bless the spaces she touches. In every room she enters, her purpose and compassion speak before she does. She listens as fiercely as she speaks. She leads by example rather than by demand. Outmand. Demand. People feel safe in her presence because they know they are seen, not judged, heard, not dismissed. Her power lies not in making herself larger than life, but in making others believe in their own greatness too. Leading with purpose and compassion also means she is willing to take a stand. She uses her platform, however large or small, to advocate for what matters to her. She doesn't shy away from hard conversations. She doesn't fear discomfort. Because when your life is anchored in something bigger than yourself, courage becomes second nature. She is bold, not for the sake of being loud, but because silence in the face of injustice is not an option for her. Her compassion extends inward too. She treats herself with kindness during seasons of doubt, loss, and struggle. She forgives herself for past mistakes and holds space for her own healing and growth. She knows that to lead others authentically, she must first lead herself with love. Her inner dialogue reflects the same tenderness she offers to the world. fierce, nurturing, and unwaveringly loyal. Loyal. In a world obsessed with power for its own sake, the high value woman who leads with purpose and compassion becomes unforgettable. She doesn't just change rooms, she changes lives. She doesn't just command attention, she inspires action. She inspires action. Her legacy is not built on fear or force, it is built on the enduring strength of a heart that beats boldly for something greater than herself. In the end, being a high value woman is not about perfection, it's about power. A quiet, radiant power that comes from knowing who you are, what you stand for, and what you refuse to settle for. It's about choosing growth over comfort, substance over noise, and purpose over popularity. It's about walking into every room, every relationship, and every challenge knowing you are already enough. The woman who dares to own her presence, set high standards, love herself fiercely, sharpen her mind, and lead with compassion. She becomes unstoppable. She becomes unforgettable. She doesn't chase value, she becomes the value. So stand tall, speak boldly, dream unapologetically, love yourself endlessly. And remember, the world doesn't define your worth, you do. You are not just living a life, you are building a legacy. And the most powerful thing you can ever be is a woman who knows exactly who she is. Thank you.